I personally don't support the gallus mentality, as I believe it's a detriment to a man's growth. However, being able to maneuver yourself around a woman's body is something that comes through practice. Some are actually naturals. They pick up on these things by reading or listening, and they just naturally grasp what they need to do. So if you're one of those men that deem it not necessary to pick up the gallus mentality where you need to sleep with a bunch of women, but yet you want to be successful in the bedroom, I have one advice and one advice only for you. Listen to your woman's body. Not her words, her body.